Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 passive income ideas for students and young professionals. In today's economy, living off a single income can be a struggle, especially if you are studying or are at the beginning of your career. In this video, we'll discuss 5 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial independence. These ideas have been tested and proven, and we're sure they'll work for you too. First idea: investing in dividend-paying stocks. If you're interested in the stock market, investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to earn passive income. All you need to do is invest in the stocks of companies that pay dividends regularly. Dividends are a portion of the company's profits that are paid out to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income without much effort. Second idea: rental property. Investing in rental property is another great way to earn passive income. You can buy a property, rent it out, and collect monthly rent payments. You may have to put in some initial effort to find the right property and get it rent-ready, but once you find the right tenants, you'll start earning and can even consider scaling up to multiple properties. Third idea: peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses that need funding. You can earn interest on the money you lend out, which can be a great source of passive income. All you need to do is choose the right platform, review the loans, and start lending. P2P lending can be riskier than other forms of passive income, so make sure to do your research beforehand. Fourth idea: affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or social media following, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income. You can join affiliate programs, promote products or services, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Affiliate marketing requires minimal investment and can be scaled up over time as your audience grows. Fifth idea: selling digital products. Selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses or printables can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you've created the product, you can sell it over and over again without putting in too much effort. Digital products require minimal investment and can be marketed worldwide. And there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas for students and young professionals. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, so be persistent and patient. Choose the idea that suits you best and get started today. If you require how to do affiliate marketing, please do a command in the command box that will prepare a separate video about this content. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or ideas that you'd like to share. Thanks for watching.